Thanks for tuning in, guys, to the Pest and Lawn Ginja. Today is my Toro Lawn Striper Kit review. Let's get to it. Well, I think I finally got the bug to start striping my lawn, but I wanted to start out simple. I wanted to start out with a lot of these options that you guys can relate to. So I bought the Toro Lawn Striping Kit online. The description's in the link, and I want to do a clean review from somebody who's never striped a lawn before. My color's always been decent, but I've never tried these kits. All right, guys, I got the lawn striper here, and just because I'm not going to do what people tell me to, I left it in this box for product display. So there you are. All right, here we are, the lawn striper in box. There you are, guys. There are a couple other things you're gonna have to buy, is a funnel and the sand to put it in. A lot of you guys are probably gonna wonder if you need to buy this exact sand. I didn't. It was just the closest thing in the aisle, and that's why I chose it. Pretty simple. Let's get this box open, shall we? Let's see. All right, here you have it. You have the rolling system. It's a pretty simple device. I mean, it's just this cylinder, and then up top, other side, you end up putting the sand in over here, and then it's got the attachments. So I think the biggest issue with the roller system is just to get the sand in here, and that's what everybody's complaining about. So let's just get this over with. If you don't have a machete, you should get one. I mean, the multi-use I get out of this is amazing. So this is estimated weighing between 16 and 20 pounds, but I really wanted to see where we're at. Let's see here. We're at 18.6. We didn't do too bad. Now, the overall installation of the Toro Lawn Striping System took me about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. It took my time. I'd say the hardest part was to figure out how to get this little slide here as close to the bagging system as possible and tilted towards the bagger without it actually getting in the way of the bag. Overall, I'd say it did a good job. Wasn't too difficult, and I'm really hoping that this is a fun little tool to use. Now, the recommendation on the Toro Lawn Striping Kit is to go around the border edge twice before striping the lawn. So we're gonna start with that. And I think I might just start out doing some double singles is what I'm going for. So let's see if the Ginja can keep a straight line or not. Well, I'd say for my first time, I think it looks pretty decent. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like lawn tips decent, but I'd say I'm on my way. Now, I'm mowing at 1 inch, and I wasn't expecting much out of this Toro lawnmower stripe system, but I mean, it looks pretty tight. I could see the lines in it. I'm actually pretty stoked that it worked this well, because I really thought at 1 inch that it was going to be a little too short for it to really do much and really pull out those stripes as if it was like 3-4 inches tall. So as we get to the backyard in the weeks to come, I think it's gonna look pretty decent. I don't know, guys. Comment below, tell me what you think. Now, I had a few concerns with this setup. My first concern was if the system was gonna get in the way of getting the bag off when I had to get the clippings. The other concern that I had is this little notch here, if it was gonna tear into the bag over time. I think it will eventually start rubbing just because it moves, and they want you to pivot it towards the mower. The other issue that I have is you'll notice here, They do recommend mowing a border twice around before you start. And it would be nice if you could just take this off really easy, but you can't. Now, all in all, I'm pretty happy with this Toro striping system. I'm kind of shocked that it worked this easy. It was reasonably priced. I got it off of Amazon. It was about $100, if memory serves me right, shipping included. I ended up an additional $7 in sand to put it in. To install the sand, it took me about 10 minutes. So it was pretty quick setup. But I mean, proof is in the pudding. I think the stripes look good. They'll just get better as I even out the color. Other than that, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comments. Love to help you out. Until next time, guys, Pest, Lawn, Ginja. Later.